In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a recipe on MyFitnessPal. If you're someone who loves cooking but struggles to keep track of your meal's nutritional value, this guide will be especially beneficial. MyFitnessPal is a powerful tool for monitoring your dietary intake, and adding your own recipes is a game changer for staying informed about what you eat. To get started, you'll first need to open the MyFitnessPal app on your device. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can find it in the App Store for both iOS and Android devices. Just search for MyFitnessPal and install it. Once you have it open, go ahead and click on the login button. At this point, if you don't have an account, it will offer you the option to sign up for one. But today, we'll assume you've already got an account set up. So enter your email address and password. Make sure there's no typo here because you'll need the correct credentials to get into your account smoothly. After entering your details, click on that login button once more. Now that you've successfully logged in, you should be on the MyFitnessPal homepage. From here, look for your profile icon, which is typically located in the bottom right corner of the screen, and click on it. This will bring up your profile menu. Next, you'll want to look for an option labeled Recipes, Meals, and Foods. Go ahead and click there. You're getting closer to adding your recipe. In this section, find and select the Create a Recipe option. You'll be given a couple of different methods for entering recipes, but today we're focusing on entering ingredients manually. So click on Enter Ingredients Manually to proceed. Now input the name of the recipe and the number of servings it will make. This data is crucial as it helps the app calculate the per serving nutritional values for each meal. Here's a neat tip for convenience. Turn on the bulk import ingredients feature. This option allows you to add multiple ingredients at once, saving time and helping you manage larger recipes more efficiently. Now it's time to list out all your ingredients. Make sure to include quantities and specifics like tablespoons, ounces, or grams to ensure accuracy in nutritional calculations. Once you've added all your ingredients, look for the next button. That's going to take you to the final step where you can review everything. Take a moment to go over the ingredients and servings to ensure everything is correct. If you're satisfied with how everything looks, go ahead and click Save. There you have it! You've successfully added a new recipe to MyFitnessPal, making it easier than ever to track your nutritional intake. Keeping your health goals in check, MyFitnessPal's comprehensive features are sure to be a great support in your journey.